They told me grey hair makes you look old, so naturally I stopped listening to them. Today we're talking why going grey, aging boldly and breaking some beauty rules is so liberating. These are rules I have gleefully, unapologetically broken since turning 50. Because honestly, the only rule I follow now is, if it makes me feel fabulous, I'm doing it. For decades, women were told to cover the grey, smooth the wrinkles, shrink the waistline, and speak softly when doing it. Apparently, perfection was the goal. But guess what? I'm done playing by rules written by people who never had hot flashes or bifocals. The beauty industry calls it anti-aging. I call it anti-reality. Before we jump in, please consider hitting that like and subscribe button to help grow this channel and build a community of women supporting women after 50. Let's get started. So, what were the rule-breaking moments for me? Rule number 1. Grey hair meant giving up. Nope. My grey hair isn't surrender, it's my silver crown. I earned every strand through wisdom, heartbreak, laughter, and probably too many glasses of wine. Rule number 2. Women over 50 should dress modestly. Please. If I want to wear leopard print leggings and red lipstick at 8 a.m, I will. Confidence is my accessory now. Rule number 3. Act your age. Sure. If acting my age means dancing in my kitchen, learning TikTok dances badly, and saying no to things that drain my energy. Here's the secret. Beauty isn't lost with age. It evolves. It deepens. It stops asking for permission. When I was younger, beauty was something I chased. In store aisles, in mirrors, in magazine pages. Now it's something I own. It's quieter, but it's stronger. It's in the way I walk into a room without apologizing for taking up space. It's in the confidence that says, I've lived, I've learned, I'm still here, and I'm not dimming my light for anyone. Grey hair isn't a flaw to fix. Every silver strand is a sentence in the story of who I've become. Every laugh line, a receipt for joy. Every scar, every freckle, every wrinkle. It's the map of where life has taken me, and proof that I showed up for all of it. The world says youth is beauty, but maybe the truth is freedom is the real beauty. Freedom from the comparison, from perfection, from trying to please an audience that was never cheering for us in the first place. When we stop chasing younger, we start embodying authentic. And authenticity is magnetic. It's the type of beauty that doesn't fade. It glows. It pulls people in, not because it's flawless, but because it's real. So no. I don't want to look younger. I want to look alive. And that, my friends, is what grey hair really represents. Life, courage, and the confidence to be unapologetically yourself. Let's start the conversation now. What rules have you started breaking or will consider breaking? Drop them in the comments. It helps me know I am not just talking to myself here. So, to every woman staring in the mirror, wondering if she should keep dying, keep hiding, or keep trying to meet impossible standards, I see you. And I say to you, break the rules, wear the grey hair proudly, laugh louder. And if anyone doesn't like it, tell them, sorry, I'm too busy shining to care. If this message resonated with you, hit that like button, share it with your silver sisters, and subscribe for more unapologetic midlife magic. Because you, right here, is what beauty looks like now. Thank you for watching. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Lipstick optional, confidence required.